Learn to write letter C. C is for cat. C is for camel. C is for caterpillar. C is for centipede. C is for cheetah. C is for chameleon. C is for chicken. C is for chinchilla. C is for chipmunk. C is for cobra. C is for cow. C is for crab.